Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Labouyi banana. In English they call it green plantain porridge. Okay guys, these are the ingredients. We need plantain, ginger, lime, my spice, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, salt, essence for taste, evaporated milk, and sugar. And then you need a blender to blend the plantain and the ginger. I usually use the regular green plantain, but in Haiti, to have a good Labouyi banana, you need to use the Bannan Bosgot. And also I'm gonna cut the lemon. I'm gonna use the lemon skin to add to the Labouyi for taste and flavor. Don't mind my sugar box. It said Milano. It's just I use the cookie box to put my sugar in. Okay guys, this is my plantain, my ginger. After I wash them, I peel them, and then I also cut my lemon. I'm using the lemon skin to add to the Labouyi. Okay guys, now you're gonna add some water on the stove. You're gonna turn on the stove because you're gonna add now your salt. I didn't measure it, guys. And then after your salt, you're gonna add your spices, cinnamon stick, stars, and of course I add a little bit of bay leaf. And then you're gonna add your lemon skin. All those gonna give your Labouyi a good taste, and it's gonna give it a very rich flavor. And then now we're gonna add some nutmeg. After the nutmeg, we're gonna be adding a little bit of cinnamon powder. We need quite a lot, guys, because I'm making 4 plantains. Cinnamon powder. 4 plantain gonna give you a quite big amount of Labouyi. And then you're gonna let it come to a boil. So now that your water is on the stove, you're waiting for it to give you a boil so the spices can cook, so the Labouyi can have a good taste. You take that time to blend your plantain and your ginger together. You're gonna blend it till it's really soft. And now guys, your water is boiled. All your spices look cooked because the water is a little bit brown, and you're gonna add your plantain now. Okay guys, look how nice and soft your plantain looked after you blended with the ginger. And then I forgot to tell you guys, we're gonna add a little bit of butter to the Labouyi. Now guys, we're gonna add the plantain that we just blend, and then we're gonna keep stirring because you don't want your Labouyi to get burned. You don't want it to stay in the bottom of the pan. You're gonna keep stirring till you see it start to be cooked. And then you're gonna add your sugar. After adding your sugar, you're gonna keep stirring that Labouyi because you don't want it to stick on the bottom of your pan. And then of course you're gonna taste to see if your sugar is enough. If it's not enough, you add a little bit more, and then you keep stirring that Labouyi. We're gonna add the evaporated milk to the Labouyi. I use the Madame Gougou's. Sometimes I use carnation milk, but I don't have carnation milk today, so I'm using this one. And then guys, keep stirring it till everything get some milk. And then after that, you're gonna put your fire on low, and then you're gonna come back around 10 to 15 minutes. You're gonna add some butter also, not a lot, a little bit. And then we're gonna leave it on low for the milk, the butter, the sugar, everything you put on the labouyi, so everything can be cooked and give the labouyi a very nice flavored taste. Okay guys, I am back 10 minutes later to stir my labouyi and taste and see if I added everything that I'm supposed to add in my labouyi and if it got a very good taste. And then I'm gonna keep stirring it. Now I'm gonna add my essence for flavor. The essence smell really good. When you can add it to juice. When you make papaya juice, you can add it to it, and so many more things. Cake, and it to give the labouyi a nice taste and a very nice smell. And now I'm gonna leave my labouyi again for 5 more minutes. Okay guys, I am back. It's 5 more minutes since I left my labouyi on the fire on low. You have to put it on low. And then now my essence is cooked. And this is how my labouyi bannan looked. I usually serve it with bread, Haitian bread, but I don't have Haitian bread, so I'm using this bread. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you like my recipe, and I'm also gonna add it to the description area. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you for another video.